So the market had a great rally today and moved back up near 4,000. I'm going to show you how in our service, predicted trades, we were able to hit 10x trades on SPX today on callouts in our service and off of our predicted levels that we provide before the day even starts. What you're looking at here is SPX and a few call contracts. These levels that you're seeing plotted on the charts are what we provide to our members every day. These levels work on your equity and your options charts. That's right, we are the only service that provides predicted levels before the day starts, where it's going to be the best prices to buy and sell your options contracts. So today on SPX, it opens and goes up, hits some of our key levels where we know we can see a pullback. We get that pullback back down to test the open level on SPX. At that time, we're watching these 3970s. They open at $1.30. They ran up to our key levels here and started to fade back to that open level. We get in those at $1.30. Ride those up to $3 and $4 where we're locking profit. They come back again to that key level where we load them again at $1.30. If you look over at SPX, where we were loading them at $1.30, SPX was actually higher on the day. It was progressively setting higher lows, but on the options contract, they were coming back to the same level. That's because market makers love to mess with the premium on options contracts. And while it's setting higher lows on SPX, they just keep coming back to wipe out all of the stops before making the move higher. So we load back in at $1.30, and it quickly goes up for new highs, hitting $5, where we lock in profit. And we leave runners in case it can go past $5. We want to load more on a pullback, but we don't want to pay $3. We got in at $1.30, right? So we start looking at the next contracts, the next strike out. When we have that pullback to around $3, we're watching the 3975s as they pull back to $1.70 at one of our key levels. You can see $1.67 there. We load into those at $1.70, and within a few candles, yet again, we are at $5 on this new contract. At the same time, the contract that we left holding is up to about $7.50, $8. So we leave runners for the trip higher since we already got it from $1.30 to $5. The rest of our contracts will be paid for because we locked in profit. We roll into the next strike and it carries up. We carry both of those trades up to some of our key levels. 3970s hit $14. The 3975 hit $10. So we lock in profit and leave runners in case there's more. We don't want to pay $4 on the next pullback or $6, so again we roll out to the next strike because SPX is just continuing to grind higher. We're watching the 3985s later in the day around 2 o'clock when they come back and test a key level again at $1.70. We get in those and very quickly they are back up to $5 and $6. So each contract we pick up for $1.30, $1.70. They quickly go to $5, we lock profit, and we leave runners for more. If you had only picked up one contract of each of these trades when we called them out in our service, it would have been about $1.30, $1.70, $1.70. So you would have been about 500 into the trade, and those ran to about 16. 12 and 6, that's over $30, right? Over $3,000 from about a $500 entry. For a number of us, these went 10x from our entry. We provide this every day to our members, our predicted levels in these custom-made tools. We also have a live trading room where we call out trades all day long from before the bell until the bell rings. We are always on the mic and ready to help you with trading. If this is the first time you've heard of Predicted Trades, I highly recommend you come check us out at predictedtrades.com. You can join our Discord server for free and trade right along with us. You can make your subscription fee before you even join. If you're a retail trader, I highly recommend you come check us out at predicted trades.